Okay, so let him fight. Don't know what he is. See, I was just fucking reeling in slow, dude. I'm telling you, they're here. Okay, so now if you wanted to make it tighter,
I know.
you know how to do it, right? Okay. He's fighting nice, dude. This is a big one, whatever it is. That's it. There you go. That's the way to do it. See? Going. Nice. It's a good fight, too. Now he's fighting, right?
Mm-hmm.
I can hear that sound. That means he's fighting. Trying to go under the boat. Tip up a little higher. Okay, there you go. Let him run. Let him run. There's no hurry here. You take your time. He's big, dude. He's big. Don't know what it is yet. They're fucking weird, dude.
Yeah.
I think he's just laying. I don't think, because that guy said he saw him. Oh, it's a good one, Mike. He's pulling the boat all over.
Ooh,
What?
it's huge.
I don't see him, dude.
I saw him. It's huge.
Okay, here he comes.
Holy
Holy
shit.
Oh, this is a lake.
Look at that.
Okay, see how he saw the boat and ran?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's a lake trout. Oh, oh.
Yeah.
Bro, I think that's a laker.
It is.
That's a laker, bro.
Let's go.
Okay.
He's like little teeth.
He's got teeth, dude.
Yeah.
The size of his teeth.
Oh, he has teeth.
He's got teeth, bro.
Uh-huh.
How did you get bit by this laker? That's a laker.
Yeah.
Get it on tape?
Yeah, it's recording.
Actually, that big dude. You don't have much left in him. Okay, give me this.
I can pick him up by the gills.
No, pick him up. You can pick him up. Just don't touch. Put your fingers in his mouth. He's not gonna fight you, dude. Here, I'll flip him over. Okay. Pick him up. Pick him up. You can pick. You want a piece of?
He's slimy, son of a
Why do you
bitch.
think we use the thing? There's the rag. Don't drop him.
I'm not.
Okay. Gotta get my video. Okay. Put that hand underneath. It makes it look fucking big too, bro. Okay. Hang on. Come on, fucker. Okay. Hang on. Ready? Hang on. Ready? Okay. Let's measure him. Okay. So let's take this. All right. Actually. Yeah, it's a laker. So from. Yeah. He fought nice. Look at him. So don't you have a thing on your box or no?
I have a little 6-inch tape measure.
Okay. So hang on, want to take another picture of him? Standing up. You always bring him out because a minnow. He may not make it now. We want to throw him back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick him up. Okay. Just put him in the boat. He's good. Okay, we got one up there. Swim?
He went straight down.
Okay, good.
I need that towel.
Yeah, that was a laker. We're just, I don't know, the minnow's probably about 2 hours old. I was just kind of jerking around and he grabbed it. Okay. No, just a regular hook. Hook and a minnow. I actually got these hooks